Go ahead. Go ahead, open it.
It's in here.
What is it?
An angel in there.
There's an angel in there? Truman, come here. What else is in there?
What?
What else is in there? Who's on the picture?
Where? Baby Jesus.
Baby Jesus?
That's that size to you, Mommy.
You want me to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. I gotta get scissors.
Get that box there. Mommy, get that box there.
Get it out of the box.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Get open it, Mommy. Get open it.
Well, who else is in this box?
What?
Is it baby Jesus in this box?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh.
It's this.
There we go.
See hay in there.
There's hay in there?
Yeah.
Who lays on that hay?
Baby Jesus laid this hay.
Baby Jesus lays on the hay? Can you find baby Jesus?
Oh, the baby Jesus is water, Mommy.
Yeah, baby Jesus.
Baby Jesus is sleeping in this hay.
Yeah, can you find the angel? Uh-oh, look, in your hand.
There.
Who's that?
It's an angel.
The angel.
And it's my box. And baby Jesus is born in a barn.
Baby Jesus is born in a barn.
See, open you?
Who's this, Steve?
And Mommy.
And Mary, yeah.
Like this, Mommy.
Where's Jesus' daddy?
Where?
Do you know his name?
Here. Open it. Open that one.
Open that one.
Yeah.
Okay. Say, guess who gave this to you?
What?
Grandma.
Yeah.
Grandma sent this to you. So look at the camera and say, thank you, Grandma.
It's the ringer.
Say, look at the camera and say, I love you, Grandma.
That's the ringer.
And say, I love you, Grandpa.
Now you, Grandpa.
Say, thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Wait.
Dean, look at the camera. Say, thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Wait, ringer, Papa.
And say, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I love you.
Love you. It's open this.
I'm going to